Coming up as a network engineer, one of the things that I was very, very specific about was how I carved up my IP address spaces. So I would have a specific group for just servers and another one just for users, maybe one for wireless or management or monitoring or whatever. But it kept everything logically organized. And I did all that through IP Address Manager. But what's really interesting is taking that information and pulling that into the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer tool. And it's really easy to do that if you already have the groups built in IPAM. So let's show you how. To import your IP address groups, you can just go to Settings, All Settings. And then under Product Specific Settings, we'll select NTA Settings. Since we want to specifically manage the address groups, we'll just go down to Manage IP Address Groups. From the Groups Management screen, we'll just click Import IPAM Group. If you want to select specific groups, just click the plus next to them. So let's add servers, both of my user subnets, and my guest wireless. And then hit Import. And my groups are imported. Now, one of the things that's nice about this is you can use this to filter the information that actually gets shown in NetFlow Traffic Analyzer just by selecting one or more and say, Hide. And you'll see over here, it went to Hidden. Hiding some of these groups is actually really beneficial if you just want to reduce clutter on some of your NetFlow Traffic Analyzer dashboards. And it's just that simple. Your IP address groups are now showing in your NetFlow screens. In a couple of clicks, the work you've already done in IP Address Manager can be used again in NetFlow Traffic Analyzer.